Okay, so did a rough welding job just to start making my engine plate. That's just a rough engine mount. I'll go ahead and drill the holes now. Decided to extend the frame out. Some friends of mine came over. We talked about it. I figured the best thing to do was go ahead and extend the frame out a little bit. That way I could put a place to put the battery. Obviously a place to put my feet. So this is what it's looking like. I got a lot of this welded in already. I'm having some issues. I'm not really sure if I need to come out and around. I want to be able to remove the motor if I have to remove the motor. But that's where we're at right now. I wanted to leave the original VIN plate on here. So I got a buddy of mine bringing another frame so we can salvage parts off that one too. And we'll keep the updates going as we go. Okay, so I got the frame all welded up, got the frame all painted. She's solid as a rock now. She's got the chain in, so I'm gonna go ahead and installing the chain. Hopefully I bought a long enough one. Start here. Here around that clutch. And it looks slide. Okay, so after a better part of the day, I got all the frame welded in, got the chain put on.